Alright, so the purpose of this video is to teach you a little bit about CUI customization for modifying your right-click settings and customizing that however you see fit. So one useful tool that I have created, or something that I find useful at least, is that, actually let's just change this to a dibble style. So I'm gonna throw a dimension in here, and that did not change to a dibble style. So I'm going to throw a dimension in there. And let's say that I wanted to have 2 decimal places of accuracy. So I'm going to select that dimension and go to dim precision, which I have added through customization. And I'm going to click there. And now I have 2 decimal places of accuracy on that dimension. Makes it a lot easier to change things that way rather than dragging the properties menu over here and changing your precision through this menu. So I added a right-click customization for that, and here is how you can customize your right-clicks in your edit mode. So if you type in CUI to open up the Customize User Interface window, then go to Shortcut Menus. This section right here called Context Menu for Edit Mode is the right-click customization for when you have an object selected and you want to right-click to select some sort of editing function. So by default, this dim precision section that I have added will not be there. The way that you can add something like this is you say new submenu, and let's say we'll call this one dim precision 2, just so we can do this again. Where you place this along the list controls where it is shown in your right-click menu. So I'm going to put this right under dim precision, and in dim precision I have these functions here, controlling the levels of accuracy that I want to show. So if we want to add those, search our command list, and here we have dimension precisions, and we can choose every single one of these. I don't know if we want to choose the ACAD or the civil ones, to be honest. Which one do I have in the existing ones? It's impossible to tell. So we will add the ACAD ones to dim precision 2. And you can select these multiples at a time and then just drag them up in this menu under dim precision 2. When you see this little triangle next to dim precision 2, that's how you know those are going to insert right under dim precision 2. So we go ahead and say OK. And now when we select and right-click this dimension, we have dim precision 2, and same thing, levels of accuracy. I just changed that to 6 decimals. Let's change it back to 1 decimal under dim precision 2. So this dim precision 2 that I just added has the same functionality as my original dim precision. You can do a billion different things with right-click customization. This is just one thing that I have found useful, and I hope you do too.